Mm. Hey guys, it's me, Little Maggie 359. Hard. I know I haven't been making videos. I'm sorry, I got the hiccups. I know I haven't been making videos lately, but oh, my hair's messed up. Hold on, I'll be right back. In the meantime, nay. Okay, I'm back. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna be making a video this weekend. Probably gonna be later at night, like about 12. Probably 12:30. Hold on. So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to say. But I'm gonna be starting this new thing. It's called Question of the Day or Question of the Week. Depends on how often I'm gonna be making videos. Anything else I can add? I don't think so. But yeah, here's the question. If I was a blank, I would do blank. Yeah, I'm going to be giving out shout-outs next week. You can either inbox it to me or comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. I was loving that little hiccups again. Subscribing that button up above, right there. You know you want to click it. Yeah, you should click it. Like right there. Oh my god. Like right there. Give it a thumbs up or whatever it's called. So yeah, I'll be giving out shout outs. If no one likes the video, then I guess I won't honestly give out shout outs. So this is gonna be my new sign off. It's been real, it's been fun. It's been real, it's been fun, but it hasn't been real fun. See you. Actually, no. That was like weird. I need some water. Oh. Bye. And then next week, tune in for my eye. You know what? Just tune in next week. I poked my eye. Oh. Bye.
And then next week.
Peace.